Hello, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to VP Reaction. I'm Vicky.
Peter here.
Welcome to another episode of our reaction video. And today we're back with another song from the Beatles.
Oh, wow, the Beatles, huh?
Yes.
Yeah,
And the song is Norwegian Wood.
in Norwegian,
Norwegian Wood.
this bird has flown.
Yeah, Norwegian Wood. This bird has flown.
Yeah,
Okay, such an interesting title.
exactly.
Oh,
For
wow.
me, it's more confusing. I can't get
Exactly.
anything.
Like it has a big title.
You can predict.
Norwegian Wood.
I can't predict anything of the song from the title. No,
What is the meaning of Norwegian?
no. Or Norwegian is
Norwegian,
something
Norwegian.
something from Norway or someone from Norway.
Oh, Norwegian.
Yeah,
Oh, like it's like a
like a
Kenyan,
Kenyan.
American, Norwegian.
America,
Oh,
American, that's Nigerian, Africa, African. So Norway,
no, no,
Norwegian.
from Norway.
Yeah,
Oh,
if I'm not wrong.
but a good thought of it. So,
Yeah.
as usual, guys, come along with us to the end.
And guys, don't forget that this is what we do here each and every day. So please, guys, if you have your favorite song that you'd like us to feature in, please share us on our Buy Me Coffee link. The link itself is on the description. And don't
Yes.
forget, guys, to do what? Subscribe here. Engage us more on the coffee. It's on the description, so check it. Otherwise, let's jump into Norwegian food. This bird has flown.
I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me.
Wait, I
Once
wanted
had
a
a,
girl.
I once had,
Oh, I once had a
or
girl.
I wanted. Let me just start it so that.
I had like I wanted a girl, or let me just say, she wanted me.
Oh, okay.
Something like that.
I once had a girl,
Oh, I once had a girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or he had me.
or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on the rock, biding my time, drinking their wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time to bed. She told me she worked in the morning and started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled out to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone, scared of cold. So
When
When
I
I
woke
woke up,
up,
I
I
was
was
alone.
alone.
Okay, the bird flew. Okay.
This bird has flown.
Oh,
Oh,
let the fire, isn't it good? Norwegian wood.
okay. It's like a tragic story.
yeah, short, but
It did not ended well.
yeah. Remember, it started by I once had a girl. She had me.
Oh, so it's like a past that happened to him,
Yeah, so they
whereby
met. Huh?
he met this particular Norwegian wood, a girl, maybe a Norwegian girl,
Yeah.
and then maybe they dated for a while, and for him maybe he was quite serious, but for the lady, she was not serious because One day he just woke up and the lady was nowhere to be found.
But on the lyrics, they say that the girl told him to stay. So that means he was on that girl's house, on that girl's place. He told me to
Oh,
stay on that. Then I sat on the mat, biting my tongue. You know, biting my tongue is that lacking was to share. I think
and
they
bringing
didn't,
my wine.
and drinking my wine. I
Yeah,
think they didn't have that good chemistry. So the guy had no much to say. So he was just biting my tongue. Then in the morning, then the girl told him something about not morning, something I did get well. But on the next day, he woke up and the bird had flown. Yeah, and then
the girl was gone.
the girl was basing that the bad had flown. So I think on the Nigerian, on not Nigerian, sorry guys, Norwegian hood. On so hood is just I think a forest.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
in
By
the
the
woods.
way, the
So
woods. Yeah,
I
woods.
think that that circumstance made or led him to be some kind confused, like you're on the woods, you don't know the roads. So
Oh,
he was he was on that
or
Norwegian
maybe
hood.
even it was not a place for the girl, but maybe the girl knew the place much better
Yeah,
than him.
exactly. So he was left confused in the woods
Okay,
after meeting the
Norwegian wood.
Norwegian girl.
So it was not something to do with the love or relationship.
I think that they were trying to make something like that, but the chemistry didn't get up well.
Okay,
That's why the girl just
flew.
flew. Just he used the bad flown.
Yeah, okay, wow. Now I understand it much better. So, guys,
Yeah,
please share more thoughts about this. If you have maybe another version of yourself, share with us in the comment section because this is our
yeah.
own thoughts. Otherwise, what a good story.
Exactly, from the beat, and I really liked before we finished up that is it a
Dun
guitar
dun dun
riff?
dun. Yeah,
Yeah,
dun
they were
dun
coming
dun
very
dun.
well.
The
Dun,
beats
dun, dun.
and
Yeah,
slow, like it was just flowing with the story.
I think
Dun
also
dun
the
dun
beats were
dun.
giving a
Dun,
story.
dun. Yeah, yes, yes, by the way.
So guys, don't forget to share your thoughts and like it,
Yeah,
and please,
subscribe.
yeah, subscribe, share your another favorite from Beatles or any other band, any other favorite
Yeah.
artist of yourself via our Buy Me Coffee link. The Buy Coffee link is on the description, guys. So engage us on the comment section and also on the Buy Me Coffee link.
Otherwise, thank you for watching. We hope to see you on the next video. Bye
Bye bye.
bye.